The iPhone 14 Pro Max is one of the best flagship phones you can buy today. Strong and fast performance in almost all areas and way ahead in video capture. But with a camera system that feels soulless compared to the 13 Pro and the untapped potential of Dynamic Island, we'll be waiting months for Apple to address it with the 15 Pro Max. The iPhone 14 Pro Max was only halfway through its life cycle before the iPhone 15 Pro line launched in September. Is it still worth buying? Honestly, I don't think so. I can't say it's a bad call. I would be far away because I would go further, and the best iPhone you can buy now is the productivity of the mind. The battery life is impressive and cannot touch the 14 sires of the video. This is an uniformly studied potential of the Dynamic Island and a comprehensive calculation of photographs that can be calculated by a Dynamic Island, which feels a high quality from Apple, which feels a relatively studied by a Dynamic Island. Display and design. If you spend Pro to iPhones since 12 Pro Max, you have caught them all. I have all the love I have from this utilitarian design to call your Apple calls. iPhone 4, let's get tired. Please don't take this as a blatant criticism of the phone's looks and luxurious nature. Because nothing comes close when it comes to the ultimate and iconic luxury. The glass and stainless steel sandwich shines from any angle, and the matte back provides a nice grip surface and matte finish in the hand. After 3 years, however, this aesthetic may start to have a few minor complaints. The sharp edges of this stainless steel band make it difficult to hold your phone comfortably. Turn on the phone. Of course, the specs are the same, with a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with LTPO technology, 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 and Dolby Vision come to life. But here's a big difference you've probably heard a lot about. Dynamic Island replaces slots with interactive pill-shaped slots. Let's see how useful the interaction of this element is. Audio. The iPhone 14 Pro Max includes stereo speakers that are small but deliver impressive clarity, and clarity at all levels. Battery life and charging. Thanks to the sustained efficiency of the A16 Bionic and LTPO display, the 4,323 mAh battery of this phone is capable of impressive endurance. Both slowly eat away at battery life, and in our tests we found the Pro Max to be the new king of battery life. Productivity. This is an old story. Apple is making new iPhone chips that are completely ahead of the competition. Again, thanks to the A16 Bionic built on a 4nm process. However, there's one small wrinkle that comes in the form of graphical prowess. Camera. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is equipped with a good camera system. The new 48MP main snapper with f/1.8 aperture and 24mm lens captures impressive detail with a beautiful touch of bokeh for added drama. Combine that with a 12MP telephoto lens at f/2.8 and a 12MP ultra-wide angle at f/2.2 aperture, and you have a versatile system that can adapt to all your photography ideas. And this 12MP selfie shooter delivers impressive resolution and color balance for every photo I take, even in low-light conditions. All things considered, I'd say the iPhone 14 Pro Max is one of the best phones you can buy right now. But is it enough? I'm not so sure. With the ghost of the iPhone 15 Pro Max coming out in just a few months, it's hard to recommend right now. Perhaps a few tweaks to the computing side of Apple Photos, some software updates to get the most out of the Dynamic Island, and the inevitable price drop after the arrival of the new Pro Max make it a worthwhile purchase.